Good morning, everybody. Today is on the 11th of March, 2025. We're gonna do a quick analysis on gold. Okay, we had CPR, we had NFP on last Friday. For those who didn't attend, this is what the NFP did last Friday. Pushed up and then later on pushed down and then went back up. And yep, that is NFP. All right. So now, let's see what do we have? What do we have in terms of fundamentals today? We have the JOLTS at 5 p.m. We have the JOLTS job opening at 5 p.m. So that's gonna move the dollar a bit, and meaning it's gonna move gold. What do we have tomorrow? Tomorrow we have the CPI on the dollar. Of course, this is gonna move the dollar. It's gonna move it. We also have the press conference on BOC 5:30, but Canadian dollar. Thursday we have the PPI on the dollar. We have the GDP on the GBP on Friday, and then we also have the consumer sentiments on the dollar on Friday. All right, those are some of the major news that we have this week. Well, it's quite busy. It's gonna move the market definitely. So let's see. Now we're gonna jump into a quick technical analysis, price action based on market structure, and see what we got. Let's see. See what we get. See what we get. Let's see where we get. Here we go. Oh, the consistency. Remember what I told you? It's the consistency that keeps you. The consistency makes you the trader you want to become. The everyday analysis. I know sometimes we do analysis and it doesn't even mature at all. No trade comes out of it. That doesn't mean that you're wrong. It does just means that the market that day wasn't actually feeling you. What's best thing that the best thing to do at that time is just to give it a break, take a break. All right, so we have monthly resistance, monthly support. Monthly resistance is also the weekly resistance, and then the weekly support over here. We got the daily. We go on the daily. We are seeing a formation of daily resistance over here. You see? That's a key area actually. Why am I saying that? Look at this. This rejection since this point, the market has been trying it. It came the one time, two time, three, four, five. Five times tested a single area and hasn't broken above. Okay, see that area. It's critical. All right, that area. Good. Do we have a daily? Okay, we could write a daily resistance over here, but then the resistance has to be formed if this candle closes bullish. So we still, as of now, don't yet have. We go down to 4 hours and see. 4 hours again. Yes, this could be called a resistance that is actually happening right about now. But also, I would like to be interested on this to see. But then the problem is, this was a very good area. The market broke down, but instead of going down now, the problem is that it has gone back up to close above. So that's why we definitely need to do this. We need to bring it down here. So weekly support is there. No, no weekly, the 4 hours. And then we have a 4 hour support over here. Then we go down to 1 hour. We go down to 1 hour. You know what? I'm actually interested with this point more. We go down to 1 hour. See, there's a support and a resistance over here. It's only that it's quite closer to each other, which is actually good for in terms of breakouts. So over there, weak 1 hour resistance, 1 hour support over here. See, those two like that, like that. All right. We put it down to this point over here. Okay. above that, above, below that. And we got ourselves some very good trade over here, because here we have now potential buys above 2,900. Above 2,900, we good. Below potential sells below the 28.95. 28.95. Over there. Okay. Right. So that's the buys over there. The sells comes over here. Right over her. Like this. Like that. Boom. And boom, boom, boom. Good. Something like that. And guess what? That is what we have. And this is what we're gonna be watching today and see. So should we get a break of this is gonna be a very nice push actually. We have the break above this point. C29. Let's just be safe. You know what? 29.01. From 29.01 going ahead, we could have a very nice buy all the way to 29.08. Should we break above that point again? You could ought to take your profit over here and wait for it to break again 29.010, 29.10, and then from that point push 29.18. And should we have small pressure as we continue all the way to 29.28? Sells 29.85, 28.95 below. Good push down to the bottom over there. All right, so let's keep an eye on this. Let's watch this. Let's see how it's gonna happen and how it's gonna be. And happy hunting for everybody. Trade what you see, not what you think, and risk manage your trade as always. Keep safe. We review this tomorrow. Bye bye. Profitable day ahead.